Hello, my name is Joeshier Raymundo Balagtas with a student number of 438603, and this is for the module of Tomorrow's Web for the proof of concept for the second assessment. And my application is called InstaFoodie. InstaFoodie is a website that helps users to search for recipes using an ingredient or the recipe name and record themselves with doing their cooking lifestyles or their cooking adventures, the culinary expertise, per se. So now we're introduced here to the index page, which shows the logo and the slogans of InstaFoodie. Now we're moving on to the recipes. Now it says here, search for recipes using InstaFoodie. Well, this recipes page is actually using one API called Recipe Search API, where it's a big database filled with a bunch of information which include nutritional values and the recipe links, and the recipe images. Now, if I want to enter ingredient, for example, I want to enter butternut squash. Now, for butternut squash, I click enter, and it will show me various different types of butternut squash dishes. And you can see in each thing, there's going to be 10 different types of recipes. And it'll also show you the nutritional values of that recipe. For example, I want to do butternut squash soup. It shows me it has 637 calories. There's no nutritional data, and it has different health things such as vegan, vegetarian, pescatarian, and such. Now, if I want to view the recipe, I can click this button over here, and it will redirect me to the website, which is butternut squash soup. Now moving on to Recordify. Now it says here, record your cooking lifestyle using Recordify. This page uses 3 different types of APIs, which include Media Devices API, Full Screen API, and Picture-in-Picture API. Now you can use this feature to record yourself while cooking, eating, and reviewing, or just simply doing your cooking lifestyle. Now, when you click on Start Recording, but for a minute, I will mute this site because it will give me audio feedback. So now, when you click on Start Recording, it will record your face and also record your audio using Media Devices API. Now, if you want to do something else while recording yourself, for example, I want to make a recipe using butternut squash. So, I can use Picture-in-Picture, which will still show me that I am still inside the display screen, but I can go to the recipe that I want to. For example, I want to make butternut squash soup, so I can view the recipe while it's recording me, and for example, I'll be cooking on the stove. It will show me that it's still recording me. And then it shows great feedback. Now, if you want to stop using Picture-in-Picture and you want to see the full quality of your video, you can use Full Screen API. Now you can just double click on the screen and it will make the video larger for you to see. For example, if I want to record something and I want to see the visual quality, it will show me the visual quality by making the thing full screen. And if I want to exit, I can just simply double click, or I can press the minimize button. And if I want to stop this video, I can click on stop and download. It will stop the video, it will stop the recording, and also download the recording. Now, when I click on this, it will be in your downloads file, and when I click on this WebM, it will show me the recorded video. It will record your face and also record your audio using Media Devices API. Now, if you want to do something else while recording yourself, for example, I want to make a... So that is basically it for InstaFoodie and for the proof of concept using 4 various types of APIs. Thank you for watching, and I hope you enjoyed.